You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly this confusing word. Yes, it is confusing because there are different pronunciations for this word based depending on the function of the word. Let's break it down. As a noun, if you want to learn more English pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more, so stay tuned until the end. As a noun, this is like a student that finishes college or university. This is a graduate, okay? So the D is not pronounced like a D, okay? It's not graduate, but graduate. The stress goes on the first syllable. Graduate, okay? So that's as a noun, a graduate. Now, if you want to use it as a verb, a student gets his diploma. He or she graduates. Gradu, still a J sound, not a D sound. Graduate. To, the verb is to graduate. Graduate. As a noun, a student is or becomes a graduate. Graduate as a noun, graduate as a verb. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. I hope it was useful. Stay tuned to the channel. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.